Hey my friends, we are back with another great video. For this one, we are out in the historic town of Bath, Ontario, as well as Amherst Island, both of which are part of the very scenic Lennox and Addington County. But before we get started, I need you to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the little bell to be notified of new videos. In the description below, you'll find a link to the accompanying blog post. First stop, the Lodge Coffee House, where you can try their fresh coffee made with 100% bath water. The Books on Main is owned by two local families. You can browse through the collection of books and pick up something to take home.
There's 10 local artists.
Yeah.
Are they from Bath specifically or in the county?
They're Bath, Amherst Island, Napanee, Kingston.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the artwork in here is from them,
Yes.
and you were saying that it's difficult to get into the bigger places like Kingston.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because there's a lot of artists around.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, so it's some of it's mine and some of it's our guest artists.
Oh,
And
awesome.
So what's yours? Mine is sort of from that pillar to here is all me.
This is all you?
So you took up all the space.
So I really love all the places. I used to love that.
Oh.
It's nice.
Yeah.
so
It's just
nice.
that
It's like
sunset.
feeling of some coldness, but nice. Like,
Yeah.
it's really nice. It makes me feel.
That's so nice.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. So your mom is next door, and so she
Yeah.
does obviously her own thing as well.
Yeah, I can show you if you like.
Yeah.
Yeah, so she does all the woodwork, like the owl and the sailboat are things that she's like created, carved, painted, and put back together.
Wow.
And the stitchers from the island,
Wow.
the pottery's from Brockville.
That's so
Her sister does the quilting.
Oh,
So it's like it's all
It's
family and a lot of women artisans.
This is one of the oldest houses in Bath, dating back to 1796. The once extravagant house has turned into a Bath museum, offering special events and tours. Then from here, we jump on the ferry and head over to Amherst Island. The Nielsen Store Museum offers a deeper look into the island's history and how it came to be the community it is today. Then we jump into Jeep Wrangler, aka the RTO Speedwagon, and head across the island to Topsy Farms. This is a working sheep farm where you can visit the animals, buy 100% cotton wool goods, and stock up on other eco-friendly products.
Is it supposed to be children first? What happened?
Not my only humans. But I'm gonna bring you. All things considered, she's a pretty good mom.
There are also workshops, walking trails, and kayaking available at the farm. Back in the RTO Speedwagon, we head to the northern part of the island to the Sand Beach Wetlands Conservation Area. This island beach is small but stunning and worth a stop, even if just for a breath of fresh air or to snap a couple of pictures. It's important to note that Amherst Island is home to the largest concentration of Irish dry stone walls in all of Canada.
So we are here at the McKinnon Brothers Brewery out in Bath, Ontario, and such a really cool story. These guys were a farm first. It's been around here, since 200 years or something like that, and started as a farm, and then the brothers decided to start the brewery. And their first beer that they made was called the Crosscut, and that's this guy right here. And so we got ourselves a little flight. So we're just gonna try out all the beers, and then we're gonna walk around a little bit. It's very beautiful here. The scenery is very peaceful. You know that if I'm going to do a video about a destination, it has to include beer. I'm sorry for you wine people, but we have to have beer. In any of my itineraries, there's going to be a beer. There's going to be beer in them. Just wanted to point that out.
In the next video, we'll be exploring more of Lennox and Addington County. So while I enjoy my beer and the views, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and click the little bell to be notified of new videos. In the description, as I said before, you'll find a link to the accompanying blog post, so check that out for more information. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.